Halo bro, oke kita lanjut saja langsung chapter 11 dari A Plague Tale. Kemarin kita udah mendapatkan bukunya dan kita juga dapat teman baru namanya Roderick. Roderick ini bisa ngalahin Heavy Guard. Jadi nantinya pasti sangat berguna sekali daripada si Lucas apa Meli. Oh, kita langsung balik, langsung nyampe ke kastilnya.
Look, it's up. Amicia! So you succeeded?
Here. Have to warn you, smells a bit burnt.
Who's he?
Roderick. But shh.
The Sanguinis Itinera.
What is this book about?
Bener kan bukunya?
It's the story of a little boy who's going to get a lot better now.
Right, I'm starving. Anyone else?
Me?
Come and eat then. I
Okay.
think we deserve it. You too.
Makan
Come in.
dulu, kata Roderick. Sopo kencot? Amicia, mlebu sih. Madang dulu. Langsung 3 minggu kemudian, nggak langsung 3 tahun sekalian. Tadi A Plague Tale si Buden.
No, no, no! Bloody hell! That's no good.
Hey, are you alright?
It's nothing. Tell me, this door, have you ever opened it before?
It's stuck. It's the only place in the chateau we haven't been yet.
Don't you want to see what's behind it?
Well, Hugo is asleep.
Oh, ini juga nggak bisa dibuka bro. Dia gara-gara ada saljunya nih agak nge-lag nih.
Let's go take a look.
This at
Oh,
least
bisa.
I know how to do.
Oke, Roderick my
There you
bro.
go.
Well, that was efficient.
And almost painless. Come on, let's go. Whoa. Can you feel that?
No, what?
When you enter a place that has been abandoned for a very long time, there's something in the air.
Yes, dust.
No, the stones. It's like interrupting a conversation.
Hmm,
This is the first time I felt it here.
wish. Yuk.
That looks dangerous. Let's avoid it for now. Another door. Shall we continue?
Tapi kan, kok nggak bisa lewat?
Of course.
Let's see where this leads us. Oh, the courtyard.
It's a shortcut.
Oh,
Oh, hey, I almost forgot. I found something while I was doing some clearing earlier. Come take a look.
Another story about stones?
Actually, you're not far off.
ini apa sih? Hampir nanti aja. Ntar. Tadi ke atas nyampe mana ya? Tadi kan ada pintu lagi. Siapa tahu bisa dibuka kan? Siapa tahu bisa buat upgrade. Upgrade seling.
Come and see this. You'll like it.
Sabarlah
I'm coming.
bacot. Sabarlah cuy.
Come on, Roderick is waiting for me.
Oh, nggak bisa dibuka. Sial. Gitu doang, setan. Amunisi kita kurang 1 yang belum kebuka. Habis itu udah kebuka semua ini, ya kan? Kurang 1 nih.
What are you doing?
Sabarlah coy. Sabarlah coy. Mau ngapain sih? Nyari tempat sepi ya? Ini ada apa nih? Alkohol ya?
You'll like it.
I'm coming.
Sabar tai. Ini bisa dibuka? Enggak. Nge-lag ini ada salju-saljunya. Ini pitnya yang itu ya? Buset, dalam banget coy.
Not going to be able to get there.
Dalam banget bro.
Do you know how long it took me to clear all this?
Ntar bro, turunnya lewat mana? Oh ini tangganya di sini. Sabarlah bro.
A
Mana?
fresco. It's strangely familiar.
It includes the symbols of the pillars. This castle has things to tell us, huh?
And what is it telling us then?
Even I don't understand everything. I just think we'll be fine here.
Amicia! Come quickly! It's Hugo! Oh no. I'm coming!
Ngapa lagi nih?
I'll call you. Come on! Come on!
Nggak mau ah. Biarin mati aja. Bosan gua sama Hugo. Dapat tool bro. Dapat tool.
I should go and see Hugo. I'm here, Lucas! Quickly! Hugo, please.
It's getting worse and worse.
The macula is progressing too fast.
I realize that, Amicia. I'm doing my best. I mean, I'm trying to do what the book says, but it's going to take too long. I need a proper laboratory.
Like Laurentius had?
No, one with better equipment.
Well, perhaps my mother at my home.
Kita balik ke rumah lagi.
Had some equipment there.
Oh,
Right. It's worth a try.
kayaknya kita bakal ngambil peralatan kalau nggak nih.
Amicia! Lucas!
Apalagi nih si Roderick nih.
I believe your twins are back.
Melly!
Oh Melly bro.
More dead than alive. But yes,
Amicia, we came because, well,
yes.
Arthur, you tell her.
After our little adventure with your heretic burning friends, I ended up in an Inquisition cell. One day I saw the guards accompany a prisoner who looked the worse for wear. Those bastards wanted her to tell them where her son was, so they threatened her. And I heard her name,
Siapa ini?
Beatrice Storum.
Mother is alive?
Oh,
She's alive?
mamanya bro.
You managed to get Arthur out? It wasn't simple. Believe me. So you could...
Forget it. I was nothing. She's too important to the Grand Inquisitor.
Mamanya masih hidup bro.
He questions her a lot.
They torture her? Hugo mustn't know anything of this.
Even that she's alive? It might help him.
And what
Ya,
will he say
hukum
when he
nguping.
wants to see her? Tell
Tuh
him
kan.
nothing, alright?
Goblok sih.
Oh no! Hugo! Hugo!
The next threshold. It's coming.
We have to go at once! To my home! Now!
You go.
We'll stay here with him. It will be all right, my little brother. I swear, this time we will heal you.
All right. I'll get the Sanguinis Genera and some potions, and then we'll leave.
Sekarang kita sama siapa nih jalannya nih? Sama si Lukas. Chapter 12 coy. Bentar banget chapter 11. Cuma ketemu upgrade dan doang, upgrade tool doang. All that remain. Oke. Ya saljunya nih bikin nge-lag nih, bikin FPS-nya turun.
We're here.
Amicia, you going to be all right?
Yes. It's just strange to be back.
Kalem lah bro.
I never thought I'd come back here. Not so soon.
We find the potions and we leave. You
Oh,
might
nggak
even
nge-lag,
get home
nge-lag.
before sunrise.
Fine by me. Look, the standard of the Inquisition.
Are they still there?
Let's be careful.
Inquisition. Sial, pengen upgrade gua.
Don't fall. Don't fall.
Ada suara tikus-tikus.
What the hell is that? Look out, Lucas.
Buset.
What's the matter with them?
I don't know, but I don't like it. Let's get out of here.
Buset.
They're not even paying attention to us.
Buset bro. Pusaran tikus.
Lucas, we'll deal with that later. Come on. Oh, there are so many of them.
Sial.
When
Sini,
Hugo
sini.
and I ran away, I remember something attacked the gods. I think it's thanks to the rats that we were able to escape that day.
I see. This must be one of the first places they came from.
Hmm.
It doesn't explain their behavior.
Jadi tikusnya tuh asalnya dari rumah kita. Rumahnya si Amicia ini. Oh ya, tikusnya kan nggak bisa manjat. Haha. Tolol. Tolol kayak itu, tolol. Nggak bisa ke sana. Oh, kita pancing dulu pakai ini. Makanan tikus. Oke.
They're not welcome here. I'll show them.
I can't get you there.
Oh, ternyata kita bisa nembak ini. Kan auto mati, bro. Boros amunisi.
This is my home. Do you hear me? My home.
Anjing boros amunisi, bro.
More rats.
The domain is straight ahead.
There, the door. Closed. There's a chain on the other side. Wait, the lantern. They must have used it to get their troops through.
Good idea. I'll have a clear shot.
You can go back down. Tell me when you're ready.
Hmm. Sini kayaknya ada sesuatu, bro.
I'm there. Here we go. You can move.
Saya ngerjain nanti
Keep it on
sinarnya
me,
di
right? I can get out here.
mati dong. Sih.
That system works really well. I'm ready. Don't forget me.
Bodo amat. Mati aja kau. Oh ini nih, lewat sini, dia lewat sini.
Thank you.
Sini kau.
Lucas, we're not alone. Oh.
Oh, ada.
A guard. He's still alive.
Someone, help me. The rats.
Kenapa?
You, tell me, how many of you are there?
Kenapa?
Oh, it hurts. I don't want to die. Not
Oh.
like this.
Like this?
Like
You
this?
executed my family. You deserve a painful death.
Please, have mercy.
Don't you ever use that word. I'm not going to get anything useful out of him.
Tapi kasihan, bro. Bentar. Tenang bro, nggak tak bunuh nggak.
Who the hell are you?
The daughter of Robert and Beatrice de Roux.
Oh, no. Please.
Please, apa?
Mercy.
Shut up. I'm leaving you to your fate.
Ntar kita kemana? Oh bisa ke sini. Kita bisa ngelut. Kita bisa upgrade. Oke. Kita bisa upgrade tidak? Ini apa sih? Habis mulu perasaan. Udah ini aja deh.
Not bad at all.
Gimana lagi? Ya korbanin aja lah orang jahat ini. Ya tuh makan.
We're here. Lucas, behind this door.
I understand. I'm with you.
Let's go.
Oke. Buset.
Is this real?
My home.
Ngeri, bro.
Is that a body over there?
No. No, please.
Amicia, we can stop. Find another way.
No. I have to see.
Aku harus lihat, bro. Siapa ini? Jangan-jangan bapaknya, setan nih.
Is he your father?
Jangan-jangan nih kalau ada keluarga dari keluarganya nggak bisa dimakan tuh, oh bisa ya.
No. What are they doing?
Buset. Buset. Apaan tadi?
Oh no, the hell is that? Lucas!
I have no idea.
Push them back! The ignit bell! Who right?
Ignifer tuh. Oh. Ini nih. Telat, bro. Sorry, telat.
Oh no, the hell is that? Lucas!
I have no idea.
Push them back! The ignit bell! Who right?
Nah.
There are more of them! Lucas, what do we do? We're trapped! Keep firing!
Hari pakai apa, bro?
We have to find shelter! Where do you suggest we go? They're everywhere! You prefer to stay here? I will not stop like that! Enough! Stop!
Ignifer gua habis.
Oh no, the hell is that? Lucas!
I have no idea.
Push them back! The ignit bell! Who right?
Setan. Gimana sih?
Oh no, what the hell is that? Lucas!
I have no idea.
Push them back! The ignit bell! Who right? There are more of them! Lucas, what do we do?
Oh no, bro. Gimana sih?
Oh no, the hell is that? Lucas!
I have no idea.
Push them back! The ignit bell! Who right? There are more of them! Lucas, what do we do? We're trapped! Keep firing!
Gimana dah? Orang punyanya satu doang.
Oh no, the hell is that? Lucas!
I have no idea.
Push them back! The ignit bell! Who right? More of them! Lucas, what do we do? We're trapped! Keep firing! We have to find shelter! I can see where we go! They're everywhere! You prefer to stay here? I will not stop like that! Enough! Stop!
Oh gini, bro. Oh pakai yang kecil.
Is it over?
I think so. You saved our lives.
We'll
Setan.
celebrate later. We need to get to the chamber. It's that window up there.
You should take the torch.
Boros banget.
Don't worry. I'll lead the way.
Thank you.
Setan. Bapaknya mati. Setan banget sumpah. Ini apa nih? Buset.
Amicia, that body with no armor.
It's one of our servants, but his body.
Yes, the guards
Yeah.
were eaten alive, but he wasn't.
Dia nggak dimakan.
There must be a reason.
If only I knew. A great break. Its aftershocks continue to ripple through time.
Iya ya, kenapa dia nggak dimakan? Pasti ada alasannya ini. Setan banget tadi, sumpah.
Two.
Yes, they're avoiding them.
What
Iya
on
ya.
earth is going on here?
Was it your father's?
Yes. From his days fighting alongside King Philip. He
King
was a great knight.
Philip,
Then he won't be forgotten.
Philip, Philip lampu.
Here we are. It's
Oke,
up there.
kita naik. Kita naik. Sini, sini.
Come, I'll get
Ayo
you
Lukas,
up.
naik. Jangan bilang ada lagi setan, sumpah. Setan ada lagi.
Whoa, look out.
They're all converging here.
They're going towards his room.
Hmm.
The potions for Hugo must be in there. Lucas, those pots?
Simple infusions. Not strong enough.
There must be others.
Looting dulu. Minggir. Oh, fabric guys. Ini buat upgrade nih. Nanti bisa nih buat upgrade selingnya.
This is it.
Yes, it's Hugo's room. Let's go.
Ini.
There are other pots.
Everything's like it was before.
Oh, kenapa ini nggak dimakan gitu
That's
kan?
not it. Neither's this. No.
Lucas.
Or this.
Why hasn't his room been touched?
No. It's not here.
Oh, karena kena baunya si itu
Still no
kali.
luck.
No. These are normal standard potions. Your mother must have been working on a more complex elixir. There has to be something else. Another place. Another room.
that I
you
know
can't
of.
just make an opus magnum like that. She must have a laboratory somewhere.
I don't know. I don't see where.
Laurentius, he built his laboratory away from prying eyes. So your mother must have also.
She told me nothing. I never
But
saw
that's
her.
it. Isn't there a place where she didn't want you to go? I don't know. Some place she protected.
Kita
The old
masih
Roman ruins. She didn't want me to go
The
there.
Roman ruins. Yes, definitely an idea from an alchemist. Exactly where are they?
The garden. Let's go.
Ya, tikusnya udah berani nyampe sini. Tadi nggak berani.
Have they gone?
No, they're regrouping.
You mean?
Setan.
To the right. Come on. Yes, I'm coming.
There are more. I'll light the room. You deal with the rest. I'm open the way, Amicia. We need to go.
Kalem lah bro. Aku adalah Amicia Derun. Mana tadi? Nge-lag bro soalnya. FPS-nya drop.
That was close.
Get a move on. They might come back.
I'm scared out of my skin, Amicia.
I'm here with you, but we have to keep moving.
Siap-siap dulu kalau ntar nyerang nih tikus-tikus sialan.
Good lord, it's even worse than I thought. Everything is dead.
Where are the baths?
Over there, at the other end.
Yang ada apinya.
Have to get through that. But how?
I know. We'll get there.
Jauh banget bro. Ini apa nih?
A flower. Intact.
A cinquefoil, I think.
Hugo wouldn't have wanted us to leave it here.
Oke, kita ke sana.
Off we go. Get ready to run.
Ready.
Come on, go! Amicia, no!
Setan. Oh, tadi ada waktunya, coy. Jerami itu kalau dibakar.
Off we go. Get ready to run.
Ready.
Come on, go!
Ini. Ya kan? Awah, biarin. Bodo amat.
Come on, come on! Don't wait! Thanks for the help!
Kita harus jalan sambil nembak-nembak bro.
Off we go. Get ready to run.
Ready.
Come on, go!
Setan. Setan.
Off we go. Get ready to run.
Ready.
Come on, go! Come on! Don't wait! Thanks for the help!
Oke. Hampir saja. Setan.
It's alright.
I don't believe it. Look at them. Like a river. A river of rats.
It's the only way to get to the baths.
Wait, the cart. We can relight the fire and push it in.
No, I'll light it and you push it.
What? All by myself?
You saw what happened earlier. You think they're just going to let us pass like that?
All right. But get your ammunition ready, because we haven't done all this for nothing.
Kalem lah Hugo, kalem lah Lukas. Santuy.
Come on, Lucas, let's go.
Wobbly. Can't breathe.
Oke.
Really heavy.
Come on, make an effort.
An effort. Don't forget I
Okay.
spent my life
Mana?
Do you feel it? Yes. Yes, they're coming. Don't let them get there.
No.
Listen, if you want to take my sling. I get it. Everything. I'll handle it.
Mana? No. Mana? No. No.
I don't want to die. Dear God, you are not going to die, Lucas. Nobody dies before we reach those bars.
Tenang Lukas, Vera bakal mati.
It was decided that ever since we met, our lives have been governed by chaos.
But I'm the one with the sling, so calm down and push.
I'm doing just that.
Kalem. Mana bro? Oh ini nih. Ya.
Quickly! That's enough.
Oh santai.
How you doing?
My legs, they hurt.
We're getting close. Keep going.
I'm doing everything I can.
Mana?
The light over there. Oh, we're nearly there, Lucas.
Everything is easy.
Ya.
I've been thinking. I think
Eh?
that
What, Lucas?
all these attacks
Hah?
not a good time. It's because we're
On the right track, yes, but we still need to survive until the end.
Oke. Selamat. I'm free bro.
We made it, Lucas. We made it.
Nah amunisi dulu lah bro. Gila.
Thank you, Lucas. You see, you're pretty tough.
yes, but I don't think
Ayo
I'll
Lukas.
ever walk again.
Oh, come on. I don't know what my mother hid under there, but you don't want to miss it, do you?
Oh, no.
Ayo.
Come on. Let's go.
Nah, di sini ada apa? Bocah looting lah bro.
This is it. This is where I saw my mother die.
But
Hmm?
Arthur said she is still alive, didn't he?
Yes. But this is poor Lambert. He
Hmm?
must have taken the hit instead of her.
Oh.
She is still alive, but they...
Oke.
Think of your brother. We have to carry on.
Pertama, ayo kita ke laboratorium mama kau. Sepi kali di sini, bro.
Stairs. It takes me back to my childhood.
Well, that's good, because we're going to need your memories from back then.
My mother never wanted me to come down here. She said it was dangerous.
Dangerous for her, I bet. You never found anything.
No, and I was really good at searching.
There are two of us this time, and you're not a child anymore. We'll find it.
Lucas, look, it looks like the bite.
A Roman fresco. It looks like Justinian's plague. Laurentius told me about it. A real massacre.
Worse than now?
Hard to tell. It was back in the 6th century.
Lucas, these baths were built by a Roman governor in the 6th century.
This fresco isn't here by chance. Neither are we.
Sekarang kita harus apa, bro?
Help me push.
Yes, of course.
Setan. Oh, kita pancing dulu.
My mother never wanted me to come down here. She said it was dangerous.
Dangerous for her, I bet. You never found anything.
Bisa ngulangnya
And I
panjang
was really
banget.
good at searching.
There are two of us this time, and you're not a child anymore. We'll find it.
Lucas, look, it looks like the bite.
A Roman fresco. It looks like Justinian's plague. Laurentius told me about it. A real massacre.
Worse than now?
Hard to tell. It was back in the 6th century.
Lucas, these baths were built by a Roman governor in the 6th century.
This fresco isn't here by chance. Neither are we.
Kita harus pancing dulu. Ntar gini.
Come on, help me.
Very well.
Ayo, kabur tai.
Rats, Amicia. If you block them on the other side of the light, you'd be free to continue.
Goblok. Bentar. Lempar umpan, dimatiin. Oke. Gini kan? Ya kan?
So this is the sudatorium. The Romans came here to sweat.
With the steam, yes.
Oh, goblok banget sumpah. Nyemplung nih.
So this is the sudatorium. The Romans came here to sweat.
With the steam, yes.
Oh, nyemplung malah nih loh.
Oh, look! The sculptures!
What?
Alchemical animals, putrefaction, purification, amalgamation, and sublimation. The symbol in the basin represents putrefaction as well.
These symbols used to fascinate me. There are more in the other 2 basins.
3 symbols, 4 sculptures. There's a fire under that one.
So we can probably light the others too.
There must be a way to get to them.
Apa masuknya?
The toad, as ugly as ever. The swan, imposing and graceful. Lucas, another fresco. A pregnant
Apa masuknya tadi?
But that's not all. Look, next to her.
It's some sort of alembic, right? She's an alchemist?
Exactly. Alchemy has often been compared to impregnation. And the crucible or kiln to the uterus.
Or maybe she's just a pregnant alchemist.
Not just. This temple is your mother's. And it's not just a coincidence that this is a woman. It's an important place.
You're probably right. The lion. Oh, Leon, controlling dog. I hope you're happy where you are.
Wah, in case.
There, near the symbol. The slabs have caved in. I think you can get past.
I'll go down. Stay here.
All right.
Gimana maksudnya tadi? Terus? Ngapain, bro? Oh, ini.
Great!
Hey, what does it look like down there?
A nest! They're all around me, and I can't see a thing.
Kita harus kemana?
Right, let's go.
I'll try to guide you.
And how do you intend to do that?
The light. I will look the basin. Good luck.
Bukan ini jalannya. Balik. Kalau ke sini.
All right, I'll carry on.
Nih.
Can you see anything?
The symbol has appeared. It's sublimation.
Oke.
There's still one more symbol to light up.
Kemana? Kita coba ke sini.
You're going too far. Careful.
I'm coming back.
Amunisi baru.
You're getting near the other symbol. Keep going.
Going
Oh,
as
ini,
fast
ini,
as I
ini.
can.
Nih.
Purification. All based in the list. You can come back now.
I have to get out of here.
You're nearly there now.
Thank you, Lucas. Keep talking to me.
I don't know what to say. I never thought you would make it this far.
Setan.
Find myself here. Laurentius taught me about the world through books.
But reality is something else entirely, huh?
It's the worst of it. None of this seems to be real at all.
Kemana sih jalannya? Setan.
Nothing over there.
Damn it.
Setan banget ini. Masa harus balik ke sono? Sini bukan? Oh iya. Bener.
Decomposition, purification and sublimation. Toad, swan and serpent. So
our friend the lion is hiding a secret.
Oke.
In its mouth, perhaps. Help us, Mother.
Awas
Go on.
kegigit.
You discovered her secret, Amicia. You've earned this.
Oh. Ada jalan, boy. Tapi gelap. Serem.
It's pitch black in here. It seems huge.
Save your ammo. I'll take care of it. There you go.
So, what do you see?
Complementary products, stabilizers, reagents, noble materials, vastly superior to what we saw in the bedroom. This is it, Amicia.
Good.
Nyalain dulu dong.
Amicia, these notes are handwritten by our mother. Tried a new transformation, but the elixir is incomplete. The torch of the carrier disappears, leaving my son in the darkness of the macula. She was on the right track, Amicia. What we're looking for is definitely here somewhere.
But where? What does it look like?
Over there. It looks like there's something. Another fresco.
A child in the arms of its mother. But these marks on its torso, Lucas.
The prima macula.
But this fresco is at least 8 centuries old.
And yet this has happened before.
But how many times?
Who knows? Sanguinis itinera. The voyages of the blood. The macula travels through history. It's already changed the world and will do so again. This box has a phoenix on it.
Mana?
A symbol of the great alchemical work. Amicia, I think we found it. Open it.
All right.
Ini. Apaan isinya?
Lucas.
Amer.
Look, advanced crystallization. Blue-green edging. Substance clear.
Keluar isinya.
What? Lucas?
Amber
Amazing.
Spit it out. What on earth is
Apaan?
a cure for Hugo? She was making progress, but she didn't have time to finish it.
You mean the same cure that you...
Yes, without the book. It's incredible she was able to get this so far.
Jadi ternyata mamanya itu udah pernah
So
bikin
perhaps we can use it ourselves.
potionnya, obatnya buat Hugo, tapi belum selesai.
With the book and my preparation, I think I may be able to finish it.
You seem off to a good start, Magister.
Oke, Lukas.
Why didn't she tell me? I would have understood. I would have... Ow!
I would have done the same thing, Amicia. She was an alchemist, and, you know, her mother protects her children, doesn't she?
Anjing, tikusnya masuk ke sini, setan.
Oh, no, not now. How are we going to get out of here?
Forget it. Just finish the cure. I'll hold them back. I don't believe it. Why now? Lucas, we have to get a move on.
I'm reading. Mother stopped at the sun door. She found the torch, but she didn't know how to light it.
It doesn't make sense.
They're symbols. She was looking for the missing element, but the book says you must empty the vessel for the spirit to fill it.
Oke.
Your mother was mistaken. We must not add, but subtract. Find me some macerate while I prepare the mix. There has to be some around here.
Macerate? What's that? Where will I find it?
In the pharmacopoeia. The alcove with the curtain.
On my way.
Quieten down. Laurentius used to say, calm the beating of your heart, for it is the wish of the heart that the hands express. So calm yourself.
Ini ke sini ya? Mana?
The curtain. It's there.
Mana sih? Nggak jelas ya, sumpah. Mana nyet?
So,
Ini.
do you have the macerate? I can't get there. There are too many rats around.
Mana sih?
There are too many. There are too many pots, Lucas. I don't know which ones are which.
Find the one that really stinks.
Everything stinks. I'm not sure my nose will be able to tell the difference.
Bentar. Setting yang paling bau ya. Kayaknya ini, soalnya ditutup kayaknya.
Oh, oh Lord. That is... They're regrouping.
Setan banget nanti bos.
Nearly there. I'm coming.
Ayo, wih.
Put it there. Right. Let's awaken this phoenix. Gently. Stop shaking. No time to waste any.
They're coming back.
Mana? Nih,
Slight alteration, you. Good, but not enough.
You said you had to filter something out. So why are you still adding things?
Brazier, they're going to extinguish the brazier.
Oh no, they don't.
ya. Mana lagi nih? Ini ya, sini ya.
Lucas, watch out! Away!
They know what's going on, but they won't change the course of history.
Time to get back to work. Oh, Lucas, don't do anything stupid.
I know what I'm doing. I think
Oke,
so.
tak lindungi Lukas. Santai.
There's no going back.
Just be careful.
Lucas, watch out!
Mana? Oh itu.
Only copper ball.
Ya. Ya.
Run inside. Come on. Truth will flow out of the mouth. Come on. Give me your purest alcohol. Voila! The door of the sun. The flame of the carrier.
Terus?
Demetia, take me back.
Oke, take me back.
Right away.
Ayo. Ayo, tai. Sini.
To life. Lucas, I don't know if I can hold them. I'm nearly there. Lucas, I need you to hurry. I need some time. They're coming from everywhere. I know. Lucas,
Okay.
I have nothing left. Lucas!
Oke.
What? What's happening?
Oh, tikusnya pada itu takut sama potionnya.
I've done it, and it looks like they know.
Kita nemu obatnya, bro.
Let's not hang about. Then please, after you.
Oh. Jadi tadi kan kalau tikus bergerombol itu kan masih berani nyerang api ya. Kalau ini nggak berani dia. Kita nemu obatnya, bro. Bener-bener potionnya ini. Akhirnya nemu juga nih.
Lucas, you did it.
We did it.
Laurentius would be proud of you. I'm proud of you.
Oh.
Thank you. At least we know for certain now. If the elixir is linked to the rats, that means there's a link to the carrier.
Yes, but first things first. We have to save Hugo.
Gitu. Bagus. Kita nemu obatnya, bro. Kita balik ke kastil. Ini Arthur ya? Oh ya, Arthur sama Roderick.
It's them.
Our trainee alchemist has worked wonders. We have the elixir.
Elixir.
I always knew you were a good one.
Namanya elixir.
Come on. Let's go
Obatnya
see
tadi.
Hugo.
Keren juga nih. Mulai rame. Kita udah punya obatnya.
Hugo, you're not sleeping?
Oke, Hugo.
We did it.
Kutukan Orochimarunya udah nyampe muka.
Lucas made it.
Hugo, it might be a little bitter.
Never mind. Drink it in one gulp. Very good.
One cup,
Am
satu
I cured now?
tegukan.
Well,
In any case, you'll soon be a lot better.
Amicia, will we never see
Oh,
you
kita
again?
belum nyelamatin mamanya, bro.
Hugo, I told you, she won't be coming back.
Kita abis ini kayaknya nyelamatin si mama.
And it doesn't hurt where she is?
No, of course not. Let's
Si
all go
Mama.
to bed now, eh? And tomorrow, when you wake up, you'll feel a lot better. You'll see.
Akhirnya, bro. Bobok dulu. Oke, segitu dulu chapter 12 dari saya. Sampai jumpa di chapter 13.